So this is the new surge protector that we got for the RV, and let me take it out of the box so you see what it looks like. We needed something that was going to be waterproof, and this one fits the bill. One of the things that I would recommend for every single RVer out there is to have a surge protector that's appropriate for your RV. So our RV is 240 with 50 amps. It's capable of that because of the multiple ACs. So this one is a 50 amp 240 volt surge protector. It's definitely high on my list of things you should not do without when it comes to having an RV. It's got this protector that goes over the top, and then it has where you just plug in their cable here. This also comes with a ring that's around the cable so that way you can lock it, and it even comes with a lock. Now, this isn't the most high-tech lock out there, but most of the time you're just trying to keep people from just grabbing it and running away. So I think this is actually going to help prevent any of those kind of crazy little grab their surge protector and run off type of scenarios. So I like the fact that they include this ring around the cable, because if someone tries to take this off, I mean, unless they have a grinder or something like that, they're really going to just mess up the surge protector, and what's the point of that, right? So it's got all kinds of protections. You can see here all these different lights mean something differently. So it's going to be checking to make sure that there's no ground faults, that the electricity is good for you before you plug it in, all of that stuff. All right, so that's enough talking about this thing. Let me go put it on the RV so we can see how it works. So when the RV is in storage out at our land, this is the 50 amp outlet that we use to keep it powered. This is where I'm going to plug in the surge protector. We do that now. So 50 amp outlet. All right, so it's a little hard to get these LED lights because of the refresh rate of LED lights and the refresh rate on the camera. So this actually has all 3 green lights on right now and a green light on surge protection. But since they're LED, well, you probably don't see it because of the refresh rate. But anyway, so all 3 green lights on mine are actually lit up, and this green light here is lit up that says surge protection. So everything is checking out fine. It's exactly the way it's supposed to be. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and plug in the RV and make sure everything powers up fine. As you can see here, I got the power plug pushed in, and it seats in well. Looks nice. And now it's seated real nicely in the surge protector, and then you close this glass on top, and yet you can still see inside. And like I said, these lights are all green up here, and this surge protection light is green, which means power is on and I have surge protection. Now, there is a key here that lets you see all the different things that could be happening based upon what lights are lit up, so you can troubleshoot your power source to find out what the problem is. I like it. Only time will tell on how this thing's gonna work out, but right now, it's doing great. All right, if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, if you'd subscribe to the channel, that really helps me out. Thank y'all very much for watching, and y'all be safe out there. Take care. As you can see here, I got the power. Meh.